All eyes will be on U.S. President Joe Biden's meeting with his Chinese counterpart Xi Jinping at the G20 summit in Bali next week. The sideline talks will be the first time both leaders are sitting down face to face since Mr. Biden took office last year. The meeting is expected to be an opportunity for clarification of the world's most important bilateral relationship amid raised tensions. The U.S. and China have challenged each other's military and diplomatic influence recently, especially in the Asia-Pacific region. Both sides, however, expressed their commitment to maintain and deepen lines of communication ahead of the meeting next week. They're expected to touch on a range of regional and global issues, including renewed disputes over Taiwan, which Beijing claims as its territory.
The meeting between President Biden and President Xi will be an in-depth and substantive opportunity to better understand one another's priorities and intentions, to address differences, and to identify areas where we can work together. Because working together to address common problems is in our interest, and because it is what the world expects of responsible powers.
中方对美国政策立场是一贯的、很明确的。 我们致力于同美方实现相互尊重、和平共处、合作共赢，同时坚定地捍卫自身主权、安全、发展利益。